Hello everyone, this is Akate QB as usual. On today's video, I'm gonna give you that one setting that you can get to turn on and start making money from the Facebook Reels that you do upload on your personal account. This is an easy process. Just get to follow along, and for those who haven't subscribed onto this channel, get to do so right now. So I get to tap onto Facebook Live. So to be able to turn on this setting that can enable you make money from your Facebook Reels, what you need to do is to tap on your profile icon. Once you're done doing that, get over here and tap onto the options icon over there, or the three dots icon down here. Once you're done tapping it, a menu pops up. So you then get to turn on what they call the professional mode. As you see on my account, I've already turned on the professional mode. So the professional mode is already activated. That means I'm gonna be making money from the reels that I do upload and post on my personal account. So that's how easy it is. Yeah.